Today I'm going to show you how to create an interactive slide deck in PowerPoint step by step, so your presentation is not just a set of slides, but something people can actually click through and explore. This is a great technique for training decks, classroom lessons, client presentations, and any situation where you want the audience to navigate between topics instead of moving in a straight line. If you find this helpful, go ahead and hit the like button and subscribe for more PowerPoint tutorials. Let's get started. First, open PowerPoint and create a new presentation. The first thing we want to build is a menu slide, because this is what makes the deck feel interactive. On your first slide, add a clear title like Main Menu, Topics, or choose a section. Then add your options underneath. For example, you can type Topic 1, Topic 2, and Quiz. These will act like your navigation choices, so keep them simple and easy to read. Now let's turn those options into clickable buttons. Go to the Insert tab, then choose Shapes. From there, draw rectangles on your slide for each option. You can use rounded rectangles if you want a cleaner look, but a basic rectangle works perfectly fine. Once the shape is on the slide, click inside it and type the text for that button, such as Topic 1. Repeat that for each section of your menu. You can also format the buttons with different colors so they stand out and look more polished. After that, we need to link each button to the right slide. This is the part that makes the deck interactive. Select the button you want to connect, then press Ctrl plus K on your keyboard. This opens the hyperlink options. Choose place in this document and then select the slide you want that button to jump to. For example, if the button says Topic 1, link it to the slide that contains Topic 1 content. Do the same for Topic 2 and Quiz. This way, when someone clicks a button during the slideshow, PowerPoint will instantly jump to the correct slide. Next, you'll want to add a back or home button on your content slides. This is very important because it helps users return to the menu without getting stuck. You can do this by going back to Insert, choosing Shapes again, and drawing a smaller rectangle or button shape in the corner of your slide. Type back, home, or menu inside it, then link that button to your main menu slide using the same Ctrl plus K method. Select place in this document and choose your menu slide. Now every section can lead back to the main navigation page. You can repeat this process across all of your slides. If you have multiple topic pages, just make sure each one has a button that goes back to the menu. This creates a smooth user experience and makes your presentation much easier to use. It also works really well for quizzes, where the learner can return to the menu after answering a question. Once your links are set up, it's time to test everything. Press F5 to start the slideshow from the beginning. Then click each button and make sure it takes you to the correct slide. Check your back or home button as well to confirm it returns to the menu slide properly. If anything is off, just go back and adjust the hyperlink target. Testing is important because it helps you catch mistakes before presenting to an audience. And that's it. You've now created an interactive slide deck in PowerPoint with a menu slide, clickable buttons, link sections, and a back button for easy navigation. This is a simple but powerful way to make your presentations feel more professional and engaging. If this video helped you out, please like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.